guys, so we are back, and really okay, so we're thinking of disassembling this and actually getting it back. Yeah, so we are dismantling the
taking it apart.
mirror cube. It's a mirror colored cube.
Yeah,
So yeah, let's do this.
so here it is. We have the cube.
Do it.
So let's assume it fell and plop.
Checking it. Yes. Out.
So something happened and maybe our cube just broke apart.
Yeah. Actually, the first time this happened was a baby came over and we actually ended up just dismantling. I think he was wondering why are these edges like just out and in and everything. Akatoanisha tu. Pole po hivyo tu. Akatoanisha. So I'm coming from the room and I'm like, huh? Hey, bibi hebu muone. It was out. Ilikuwa imetoanishwa. Yeah, so let's see how somebody's gonna crack this.
This is gonna be hard.
I
think one of the pieces is missing, but we don't need it for the reassembly. So it's supposed to be the exact color as the opposite side. So okay, can you see this?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so by default they're usually 6 sides, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are the primary sides, like the primary colors that make up the other colors. So those are the primary sides. Okay, we're just now gonna use this. We're gonna place this just here. So we're gonna look for this side that actually just zoom in. So we're gonna look for a side that will actually, because we want to actually just fix this first, like the line thing. So we look for something that will actually go here, and it only makes sense not to use this because this is a corner cube. This goes at the corners.
Also, there are corner cubes, and which other cubes?
I really don't know the name.
Okay.
But I just know this, they look like corner cubes.
Yeah, the bigger ones.
But this one I'm sure
corner.
they're corner cubes, yeah. So they usually have a pointy thing, and then you know that because the others will rotate outside this. So hence corner. Yeah, so we have this. Let me start with this, where it's actually a bit spoiled. So I'll start with here because it's kind of tricky. Yeah. Fit in. You're supposed to fit in. Yeah, so we got that. And another one. Up.
Yep.
So we have that intact, and we're gonna get another one. If you can actually see, we're actually looking for the ones that are of the same size, same length. So if I actually fit this here, it's gonna form like a straight thing. Yep, that's well in. Gonna look for another one. This is a corner one as well. So I'm gonna use this. So let's just, yeah, we're in. So yeah, we have that complete.
The middle part.
So the middle part is all complete. Everything fits in okay. So it's supposed to just move around, so just comfortably. So from now on, we're gonna focus on the others. So
I remember the day it got dismantled, the way we actually struggled to look for I mean, like a way to get it
we actually
back
gave
together.
up on it.
Yeah, we're gonna throw it away. Just let the pieces stay like that, or just stick them on the wall.
Yeah, just make like a, I don't know, maybe we'll have a, national museum where we actually had the ruins of the Rubik's Cube.
The ruins of the Rubik's Cube. Wow.
Yeah, so the trick is all these, these are the corner ones, these are the normal ones. So for the normal ones, they have to form like a, like a complete cycle. So this straight one is supposed to be the normal ones. They're also supposed to come like this, they're also supposed to come like this. So what remains, they're called corner cubes because they actually fit inside the corners. Yeah, so these ones will actually fit in the corner. So for now, we can go back to placing the normal ones, right?
Okay.
Ha! Thought you was gonna fool me, huh? Have another one. Another one. What? No, don't do this to me. It's threatening to fall apart. Things fall apart, they literally do. Chinua Achebe. Okay, we got that. So one side is complete. We'll move on to the next side. All these are corners. No, this is not a corner. We're gonna do this. Come on, we can do this. Yeah, that's that. 2 more. It's actually only 2 more.
Imagine just 2 more. And it still looks complicated. Like from this side.
You can imagine it from my side. We got that. So it's almost complete, by the way.
Go.
We have one more. It's gonna fit right here. So if this goes in, we're almost done.
And it's in. Just like that.
Yeah.
Just basically you just have to make sure all the corners are left out, and make sure you fill all around the middle part.
So basically, yeah, you're supposed to have a straight line filled. Remember, this is just empty because it just broke.
Like it's just a top.
As long as you just have everything intact, now you can actually place it in.
That's like the last or first piece, whichever.
Yeah, and now the corner cubes. So as you can see, hence the corner, the word corner. You're supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, those are 8. So you can just start with 1. It's supposed to fit right in here. That's that. Go to another one. That fits. That fits. Find another one. That fits. This other one, guess what?
We're halfway.
Also fits. But for this other one, it also fits.
We're almost there. 2 more.
That's in. before you also rotate, just make sure everything is in. It just might break everything with one rotation. So that other one. And
the
guess how
final piece.
How much effort to require for this? Little to no effort. So just gonna slant it, press it upon that, and we have a full Rubik's Cube.
And we are done. Imagine, just like that.
Just like that.
Congratulations, Hillary.
Thank you. So you just have to remember the corner cubes. You just place them as the last options. We're just gonna start with the regular. I've forgotten what they're called. I don't know the name.
Center
I just
cube.
call maybe they're the center cubes. You never know. But those ones, make sure they're actually aligned.
And then now finish up with the.
And now once those are done, just push in the corner cubes, and you'll have your Rubik's Cube ready to go.
Yep. So guys, that was helpful if you have a mirror cube too and you've ever had an issue reassembling it. So if you want to disassemble it and just have fun assembling it, go ahead guys, buy one, have fun. It's pretty.
Nice.
Yes, so from yours truly,
Hillary. But I can disassemble and reassemble it in like 20 seconds.
Hillary.
And I can solve the Rubik's Cube in 20 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm just not gonna do that right now because I'm definitely not going to embarrass myself on public.
Okay, so flash or Rubik's. So guys, if you liked it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yours truly, love you guys, Rachel.